Do you want to know how you can use transitions in v.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use transitions on your videos in v.io. Go ahead and open v.io on your Chrome OS browser, log into your account, create a new project or select any of your old projects, and you can see this page will load up where you can edit your videos. If you go a bit here, scroll a bit down, you can see transitions. You can add transitions from here quite easily. Go ahead and select the video of your choice and you can see elements, text, media. Scroll a bit down. If you go ahead and see that this is here, go ahead and select your video, scroll a bit down, add it over here. And if you scroll down, you can see transitions. You have already added a video, so tap on transitions. There are some of the transitions available. To use it, go ahead and drag it, drop it here, and you can see that it will start with the transition. It's quite easy. All you need to do is open this up. You can delete the transition over here, select your transition of choice, drag it, drop it, and the transition will be applied. It's quite easy, guys. All you need to do is open any video, load your video over here, and then you can see transitions on the left hand side. Tap on transitions. Here are some free transitions available. You can drag it, drop it, and play the video. After you play the video, your transition will be added. And you can also add transitions in the middle of the video, so you can move your cursor and you can set your transition over here. So go ahead and add a new media, so you can record if you want, or else you can add a new video of your choice. So you can drag or drop it, or you can just go to any videos. So load the video. After you load the video, you can see that you can add transitions over here as well. So go ahead and go to transitions and drag it and drop it over here, and you can see that the transition has been added. And if you play the video, you can notice that the transitions will appear. I hope this video about how you can add transitions on your video in v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.